In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in NotebookLM. Whether you've just started using NotebookLM or have been a long-time user looking to operate in a different language, this guide will help you navigate the settings with ease. First things first, ensure that you have NotebookLM open on your computer. If you haven't launched the application yet, go ahead and do so now. Once it's up and running, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a gear or a cog. This is the Settings icon, which is your gateway to customizing NotebookLM to better suit your preferences. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the Settings menu. Upon entering the settings, you will see several options. What you want to look for is an option called Output Language. This menu item is crucial if you're looking to change the language for generated responses. Clicking on it will present you with a list of available languages. Here, you can take a moment to browse the selection and find the language that best meets your needs. Whether you wish to switch to a widely spoken language like Spanish or one slightly less common, the choice is entirely yours. Once you've found your preferred language in the list, simply click on it to make your selection. This change will adjust how NotebookLM presents generated responses, study guides, and audio overviews, making your experience more personalized and accessible. It's amazing how much difference language can make in understanding and engaging with information, and now you can harness NotebookLM in the language that you're most comfortable with. Make sure you give the application a moment or two to finalize the changes. This usually happens pretty quickly, but it's always good to double-check. After this, head back to the main interface or start a new project to see how the tool adapts to your newly selected language. From here on, everything that NotebookLM generates will be in your chosen language, offering you a smoother and more intuitive user experience. Finally, a quick tip. If at any point you decide you want to switch back or try another language, simply repeat these steps. It's designed to be just that easy, ensuring you have the flexibility to change settings as often as you need. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed the language setting in NotebookLM. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this adjustment helpful in making NotebookLM work even better for you. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.